Namaskar students, this is Professor S. Lal, Professor of Mathematics and Computing in the Department of Science and Technology under the Faculty of Education and Methodology of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, as per our session, today we shall discuss about ordinary differential equations as system of first order ordinary differential equation. Please write the topic. Ordinary differential equations as a system of first order ordinary differential equation. You can ask that, sir, you have repeated here ordinary differential equation in the beginning and ordinary differential equation in the end. What is the meaning of this topic? Students, you will be happy to understand that you have listened on the so many occasions that you have to form a mathematical model. To form a mathematical model, to form a statistical model. Suppose you are asked to create a model of quarantine process of Jaipur district administration. In that circumstance, there are some procedure that can be adopted with the help of first order differential equation. And that model has also suggestive way to get the solution as the numerical solution of the differential equation. So, please come on the topic. We have system of first order differential equations. This is the name of a chapter. And now if here is some example of epidemic of contagious diseases, and we are planning to frame a model. Now if ST denote, see here, simply as function of t denotes number of people that is susceptible to the disease but not infected yet. S is what? It is denoting the number of people that is susceptible to the disease but not infected yet. And I, this is also function of t, denotes number of people actually infected. S is number of people who are suspected to be infected but not actually infected. I denote the number of people who are actually infected, and RT denotes the number of people have recovered. You are saying that those who are coming in the quarantine centers, in case their disease is detected, they are sent for the treatment and they get recovery. So I hope that you have understand the meaning of S, I and R. Sir, S, I, R. Sir, if we assume the fraction of susceptible who becomes infected per unit time is proportional to the number of infected, B is the proportional number. Further, a fixed fraction small t capital S of the infected population recovers per unit time where R lies between 0 to 1 because the probability of a function lies between 0 to 1. A fixed fraction of the recovers G becomes susceptible and infected, that's value also lies between 0 to 1 as G proportional function. Then the system of differential equation model this phenomena are. See, for S, this is what? BIS. What is B? Here is B, number of infected. Here is I, actually infected. S, suspected. G, becomes susceptible, recovers. G becomes susceptible and infected. And R, this is the people that have recovered. Similarly, we can take I dash complementary function of this and R dash complementary function of T. The number of unknown function in system of differential equation can be arbitrarily large. But we will concentrate ourselves on 2 to 3 unknown functions. For framing a function, for framing a model, it is necessary for us to be limited to ourselves on 2 to 3 unknown functions. It means 2 to 3 unknown variables. Now here is in this ordinary differential equation and system of first order ordinary differential equation, there is a principle of superposition. Superposition means overlapping. In case of sound, you have listened. If I am singing and you are also singing, then there may be superposition of waves. In a market, there are so many people, everyone is purchasing something. If Mr. X is speaking, Mr. Y is speaking and Z is speaking, then that creates a noise. Means that creates superposition of sound. So in case of function, in case of creation of any model, what is the principle of superposition? Let Aij, it's also function of t, and Bj separately it is also function of t. Here is Aij and here is Bj. There is superposition as j, where the value of I is varying from 1 to n and j is also from 1 to n, be non-function, and xit, where I is also from, value of I is also from 1 to n, be unknown function. The next, the linear first order differential equation for xit is as follows. See here, the linear differential equation, first order differential equation means if you write dy by dx, then you write y1 or y dash. So this is what, this is first order, this is also first order, this is 1 dash means first order. So what is the way of writing such functions? This is a11 tx, a11 t, x1 t, a12 t, x22, x2 t, then a13 t, x3 t, and finally this way a1n x, a1n t, xn t plus b1 t. For x2, the first order is this, and for x3, the first order is this, and finally, for xn, the first order is this. Now, let xt be the column vector of a known function xit, where I is varying from 1 to n, and at is equal to aijt, and bt be the column vector of non-function bit, where I varies from 1 to n. We can write the first order system of equation as this. As on the basis of this as a whole, we can write x dash t is equal to atx, a for all these suffixes, atxt plus bt. This is the what? First order system of equation. We have obtained this result when we have taken n is equal to 1. When we have taken n is equal to 1. And if you take n is equal to 2, then you can find some another matrices. You know well that your equation can be written in the form of matrix. This can be written in the form of matrix, matrix of this, matrix of this, matrix of this. So these all have been arranged in the form of matrix. If you have no knowledge of matrix, you are advised that once you should know the basic concept of matrix. And still, again, after going through the concept of matrix, it is not possible for you to understand, then you should write in the comment box. We shall try to resolve your query. So students, these are the fundamentals of numerical solution of ordinary. These are the fundamentals of ordinary differential equation as a system of first order ordinary differential equation. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 of Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. In case of any query, feel free to write your comment in the inbox. I promise that I will resolve your query from there. Thank you for listening and thankful.